Tragic news coming in. 14 patients have lost their lives in a Chennai hospital. This after power failure. We're trying to get more report on what exactly happened. Initial report suggests that 14 patients have died because of lack of oxygen there. But we're still awaiting for more information on that. For now, what we can tell you is that patients have lost their lives after power failure in the hospital. Now, remember, power has been shut down in various parts of the cities because several areas were inundated. So as a precautionary measure, power was cut off, but many hospitals were running on generator and backup options. But we're getting to understand that ventilators stopped working in Chennai hospital. Other patients for now have been evacuated, but 14 people lost their lives after the power outage in this hospital. We're trying to get you more detail from the ground, but as of now, we can tell you that this incident happened in Madras Institute of Orthopedics and Traumatology, that is MIOT Hospital in Chennai, where 14 people lost their lives in the ICU after power failure. The oxygen could not be supplied to them, and that's why they met their tragic end. But as of now, other patients have been shifted to a government hospital. They have been evacuated from that. Whether there was any alarming situation earlier on, whether there were signals sent out earlier, whether the hospital staff knew about the oxygen running out or not, we are yet to confirm that. We're trying to get you reports from the ground, but as of now, we can tell you the incident happened in Madras Institute of Orthopedics and Traumatology, which is in Manapakkam in Chennai. The areas which were inundated in Chennai include Manapakkam as well, where power failure resulted in a shortage of oxygen supply, very critical in the ICU, and other patients now have been shifted, but 14 people sadly lost their life during this power outage in the hospital. Now,